Before a single bucket of earth is moved, the ground itself must be understood.
Beneath every great stadium, a hidden map of pipes, cables, and buried history.
Every measurement taken here will carry the weight of 90,000 fans.
The first machine arrives. 90,000 tons of earth are about to move. Before concrete can be poured, the site itself must become a machine. The earth has been cleared. What rises here will stand for 100 years. 600 pile positions. Each one carries the weight of an entire stadium section. "25 meters of steel disappears into the earth, and this is just one of 600.
22 meters. Keep the pressure steady. Flow rate is good.
The foundation is set. Everything built above it will rest on what lies here.
From every pile cap, steel reaches upward mandried, the skeleton of the lower bowl beginning to form. Tier by tier, the lower bowl takes shape. Caveau, every rake angle calculated for 90,000 sight lines. The first steel column rises Mares, and with it, the stadium begins its climb into the sky.
Four cranes, 40 erectors, one geometry, repeating perfectly around every degree of the oval.
The frame is complete. 45 meters of steel and concrete, and the hardest work is still ahead.
60 meters of steel Tomyu, assembled piece by piece before it ever leaves the ground. The roof closes overhead, and the light inside the stadium changes forever.
From the outside, it is finished. Inside, the real transformation is just beginning.
7 layers of engineering lie beneath every blade of grass. Invisible, essential, exact. Three millimeters of tolerance across the entire pitch, because at this level, perfection is the minimum.
The lights come on. The grass glows. The stadium is no longer a building, it is a place.
Every system in the building converges here. One room, one team, one moment of first power.
Every beam, every connection, every weld to entry, tested beyond the forces they will ever face in use.
clear.
Proceed to the pitch activation sequence. Every light is green. Every system confirmed. The stadium is ready, almost.
The inspection team walks in. Every decision made over 4 years is about to be measured.
"5,000 voices fill a fraction of the bowl, and already the stadium knows what it was built for."
Vorsichtig mit butyl steelite.
Four years in the making, 90 minutes to play. This is what the world built.